Day 4. Day 4. We're going to pick us a stocking. I'm going to grab this one back here, kind of behind. Let's see what's in it. What do y'all think's in it? It's down in there real far. Oh, sewing clips, sewing clips. That's what day 4 is. Invaluable tool in your sewing room. I hadn't had any, hadn't used them till I bought some. And oh my word, that's the one thing that, you need. And I've got these. These are stainless steel. I got these out of the kitchen. They work great too. Just a plain old clothespin works. And let me show you what the ones I got from the Dollar Tree. And I love them. I've lost them. Lost a whole basket full of them. I don't know where my basket is, y'all. I've lost it. But they got pink on them. Okay, I found them. Here they are. You get 6 of them for $1.25. And they are great. Great little clips. They hold things that are thicker than maybe these would hold. And these right here, you get a package. I'll put the price on my. You get 100 of these little babies. And these have a flat side and a curved side. Curved side and the flat side. The flat side goes on the back or towards your machine when you're sewing. And then this curved part is above, because if it's this way, it won't slide. This way, it just slides right across there and you just pull them off. 100 of those is $7 on Amazon. So that's day 4. Come back tomorrow for day 5.